Hi everyone, my name is Miss Romero and I teach English Language Arts for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. It's been a pleasure working with your child both online and in person.
The best part of Virtual Academy is coming in person on Fridays because I work and interact with other students in my grade.
All teachers, both in person and online, use the California English Language Arts standards.
The best part of Virtual Academy is still being able to get A's in school. I learn well online and when I interact in person.
Bacteria is like saying germs. Bacteria is microscopic. We cannot see it with the naked eye, only with microscopes. For Phineas Gage, bacteria was a bad thing because it infected his brain when doctors at the time used unsterilized tools.
Reading about Phineas Gage helped me learn about the different brain parts and their functions. For example, the spinal cord sends signals to the brain if you have pain in your body.
Teenagers make poor choices and take dangerous risks because their prefrontal cortex isn't fully developed. So teens don't think, they act on emotions or impulses.
Applications for next year will begin mid-April. Your child can participate in-person PE and elective classes at their home school if that works in their schedule as well. Virtual Academy works. Engaged students can learn when presented instruction through a flexible combination of online daily synchronous standards-based instruction, in-person interactions with teachers and peers, and field trips. These off-campus opportunities allow for more reading, exploring, and ultimately learning. This flexible model accommodates students and families to ensure academic achievement.